This video is for the Google Forms add-on named Data Director Limited. I'm Alan Wells, the developer of Data Director Limited. In this video, I'll be explaining how to install Data Director Limited. First, you'll need to find Data Director Limited in the G Suite Marketplace. You can go directly to the G Suite Marketplace or search for an add-on from the Google form. I'll show you how to go directly to the G Suite Marketplace. In your Chrome browser, search for G Suite Market. Click the link for the gsuite.google.com marketplace. Search for Data Director Limited. This is the listing for Data Director Limited in the G Suite Marketplace. To go to the website for AJ add-ons, click the link here. You'll be taken to ajaddons.com. Choose an add-on from the drop-down list. Data Director Limited for Google Forms. Here you can review the privacy policy, terms of use, and the explanation of the permissions. To install Data Director Limited, click the Free button. Authorization required. A script attached to this document needs your permission to run. Click Continue. Sign in with Google. This is the project number. Choose an account. These are the permissions that you will be asked to approve. For information, click the Information button. Click Allow. Click the Add-ons icon. Click Data Director Limited. Click Settings and Info. The only capability that Data Director Limited has with your email account is to send an email. It does not read or delete any of your emails, and it does not make any email settings. The email permission is to send an email only. I'll show you how to make some email settings. Click Email Settings. Wait for the dialog to open. To send an email, check the box. You can also add an edit URL or pre-filled URL to your email. You can attach one or both created PDFs. To create a PDF file, click the PDF definition settings. For more help, click the Help button. This help information explains how to make the email settings. The Data Splitter can send Google Form answers to any spreadsheet or sheet tab. Data Director Limited has the capability of creating a new spreadsheet file depending upon how a question is answered in a Google form. turn the button on. To create a new spreadsheet, click Create New Spreadsheet. Enter a new spreadsheet file name. When you click the Save button, a new spreadsheet will be created. If you want to create a new spreadsheet, depending upon how a question is answered, use the Advanced Split option. Turn the button on. Choose a question. Make a new spreadsheet when settings are saved, or create new spreadsheet when conditions are met. Enter the new spreadsheet name, and you can enter a sheet tab name. Save the settings. When this question contains my name, the very first time, a new spreadsheet will be created. For information about all the different settings, click the Help button. Data Director Limited has the capability to create calendar events. The only way that the add-on can create a calendar event is for you to approve a very broad permission that can also do other things. There is only one permission choice available to the developer to use for creating a calendar event, and that permission allows many other things, like deleting your calendars. That's the way that the AppScript calendar permissions are set up. The only way that the add-on can create a calendar event is to use the permission that can also delete your calendars. But Data Director Limited will never delete a calendar. Provided is a link to the documentation. Let's take a look at the calendar settings. To have the add-on create a new calendar event, turn the button on. Two sections are required. The Calendar Targets section and the Event Definition section. The static setting causes a calendar to always get a new event. Advanced branching. This is a conditional test. Choose the condition. Choose a calendar. Event definition. When you're done, click Save. Because Data Director Limited has the capability of creating a new spreadsheet file depending upon how a question is answered in a Google form, the add-on must ask for permission to create a file. Data Director Limited can also store the template for a PDF file in a text file on your drive. So the add-on needs to create a text file in your drive and read and write the content in the text file. Also, PDF files can be created and edited in your drive. And the add-on has a file picker that lists folders and file names. In order to do all of those things, the add-on needs the highest permission to your drive. AppScript doesn't have a drive permission category for just creating files of a specific type. Let's look at the PDF definition. To create a PDF file, when the add-on runs, click the On button. For help, click the Help button. Let's look at some settings. Open the navigation menu. Let's look at the PDF body content setting. This is where you define the PDF template. You can test the PDF file creation by clicking this checkbox. HTML can be put into the PDF definition. You can save a PDF template to a specific folder. This is optional. Once you're done, click the Save button. Let's look at some other options. You can overwrite an existing PDF. To overwrite an existing PDF file, if the form submission is an edit, check this box. File naming convention. When a new PDF file is created, you can have a PDF file named a certain way. You can include an answer from the form or append an incremented number. Save location. You can save the PDF file to the same folder as this form or in your root drive, or you can choose the folder where the PDF file should be created. Always click Save after making new settings. Let's review why Data Director needs permission to your calendars and your drive. Data Director has the capability of creating calendar events and therefore needs the highest calendar permission. Data Director has the capability to create new spreadsheet files and PDF files. It also can create a text file for the PDF template, and the add-on can save settings to a text file. It also needs to get your folder and spreadsheet file names for a picker. This is why it needs the highest drive permission.